Do the owl say, hoo, 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 hoo. That's what you do, 'cause you're three little owls. Three little kitty owls, three little kitty owls. Well, go feed them then, Mama. They're starving. Dinner's ready, boys. That was weird. I will never say that again.
Mom, did you see she had her mouth open and she went like that and it looked so funny.
I know, but I couldn't get on the recording. Hi, baby.
She wants your necklace.
Let's not torture her, please.
She looks beautiful. What about punk rock?
What is she crying?
Punk rock.
I was doing it.
What are you doing, Mama? Oh, there's babies back there. What?
Oh, yeah.
There's another baby. What? You're punk rock.
Well, hold on. Punk rock is sleeping. This one's doing things.
I can hold it. I can hold it.
No, you can hold it. There's your babies. Hi, babies. Hi, sweeties. Hi. What you doing? Rise and shine. Good morning, kitties. Today is a beautiful day. You can play with your toesies. You can explore. You can do nothing at all. Or you can become a little yin yang. Oh, yes. Hi, babies. Hi, good morning. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl.
Eva.
Hi.
Eva.
Oh. Do the owl say, hoo, 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 hoo. That's what you do, 'cause you're three little owls. Three little kitty owls, three little kitty owls. Well, go feed them then, Mama. They're starving. Dinner's ready, boys. That was weird. I will never say that again.